Ethereum is the highest level coin that can be mined. It has the ticker F and is worth $1,940.10 at the moment. Its market value is $233,236,120,016. Digital currencies are no longer just a toy for tech nerds, opportunists, and unknown sellers. They are now a resource class that is carefully managed and treated as legally sensitive. Some large venture banks even buy Ethereum and other digital currencies all at once to protect their assets under the administration on against the dashing expansion that hurts the traditional financial sectors. However, the golden rule of frugal investing is that you should never put all your eggs in one basket. Misfortune set up consistently presently now is the ideal time to uncover our short mid and long haul forecast of the improvements on the F market that depend on the readings of our remarkable crypto unpredictability file that assists us with measuring the market opinion and expect where in which the market plans to go. At this point, the cost of Ethereum is 1940.10, while the coin, as of now, ends up at second spot in the general positioning. The set positioning is assessed based on the resources current value that is increased by its ongoing business sector capitalization, an equation that is applied all through every monetary market. Our administration continually screens any progressions in these three regions with the goal that our clients get the most important information in regards to the presentation of computerized assets in their portfolios. It's likewise critical to consider the verifiable information that permits framing a legitimate comprehension of the market structure in its course. On July 1st, the cost of Ethereum was at 1933.20 toward the finish of the exchanging time frame, during which the cost change added up to 0.92 a week prior. On June 25, ADH was esteemed at 1876.84, and that intends that from that point forward the cost has varied by 0% a month prior. On June 2nd, the market member laid out the cost of Ethereum at 1.861.30, hence the coin has taken a 4.23 action to arrive at its current standings. In any case, has currently made sense of the cost of Ethereum isn't the main variable that we consider while making the cost expectation. To get a good idea of where the market is going, it's important to keep an eye on how the market price of the computer resource under study changes. The study of market capitalization is just as important in crypto markets as it is in traditional markets. In fact, the same numerical method is used to figure out the overall position and popularity of digital currencies and stocks. For example, changes in market capitalization, whether positive or negative, are a sign of how the market may have been doing as well as the resource's real ability to make money. Clues about how it will be presented in the future will help us decide how much the current business area is worth. Give the limit that will make sense later based on how much the digital currency under audit is worth right now. As of today, the market capitalization of Ethereum stays at $233.236,12016. Before yesterday, July 1st, F had a market capitalization of $232.409250 when 926. Last week, on June 25th, the coin being talked about had a market capitalization of $225,583,858,798. A month ago, on June 2nd, the market capitalization of Ethereum was found to be $223.812,564 to 608. But, while the market capitalization is a good indicator of Ethereum's popularity and dominance, it doesn't always match up with the volume of trades. The market capitalization of digital currencies, including F, could be distorted by the large number of trades that could happen on the network. Essayists. Investors who watch the market may get the wrong idea about how much digital money is really worth. This is why it's so important to focus on historical data and avoid the market that shows the current market capitalization, which is often subject to controls that could hurt the presentation of your portfolio as a whole. Supply is the number of coins that have been made on purpose, such as through mining. These digital currencies can be used for real-time trading or stored in the wallets of investors or with the people in charge. This measurement also counts the coins that were thrown away on purpose during a cycle called consuming, which is used to control the rate of growth. At this point, the total amount of Ethereum is set at 120,218,755 F. Finally, the coursing supply is used to figure out the market capitalization and the coin's position in the market. This is the total amount of F that is being traded right now, excluding coins that are locked, frozen, or temporarily unavailable for general use. Most people agree that digital currencies with a circulating supply of between 60 million and 150 million are best for long-term ventures. This is because the value of these currencies is likely to rise over a long period of time, perhaps many years, while keeping a steady growth rate. Crossroads has a total number of 120,218.755 Ethereum coins. High trading volume usually means that liquidity is flowing into that market, which shows the general revenue and cryptographic forms of money and ensures that trades go smoothly. However, it should be noted that the information about the continuous trading volume isn't great for making long-term predictions, but it does give important information about the current market situation. A clever way to encrypt money backers shouldn't ignore this measure when deciding whether to give money or not. Here, the rule is to get in when the volume starts to rise, when the price is pushing out of the combination area, and get out when the volume starts to drop after a big meeting. It's best if price changes happen in areas where there is generally high volume, which is usually shown by tall bars on the related pointer that is built into all crypto trading terminals. X. Thea. Standard Chartered has raised its prediction for Bitcoin in 2024 to $120,000. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price has gone up 80%, but its present level of just over $30,200 is still less than half of its peak of $69,000 in November 2021. Standard Chartered, Stan.L, said on Monday that the price of Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, could reach $50,000 this year and $120,000 by the end of 2024. The recent rise in the price of Bitcoin could encourage miners to hold on to more of it. In April, Standard Chartered predicted that Bitcoin would be worth $100,000 by the end of 2024 because the so-called crypto winter was over. However, one of the bank's top FX experts, Jeff Kendrick, said that there was now 20% upside to that prediction. Kendrick wrote in a report that increased miner profitability per BTC, Bitcoin, mined means they can sell less while keeping their cash flows, reducing net BTC supply and pushing BTC prices higher. Since the beginning of the year, Bitcoin's price